What is up, my friends, my dudes, my family? What more? Okay, that's it. So, my name is Brandon, and this will be my first video giving out some content for you guys. Well, actually, I've given out some content, but it's not like this. So, today we'll be switching out some of my stock switches from the Royal Kludge 61, switching them out with the Gateron Blacks. I'm actually a newbie in this keyboard stuff, but today I will do my very best to cleanly solder out those stock switches and replace them with a new one. So I hope that you will be tuning out until the end of the video, just to support your boy. Okay, let's go. Let's proceed with the video. So as you might have noticed, I wasn't able to do it yesterday, and I still haven't taken a bath yet. But this video takes priority. So anyway, without further ado, let's just start with the video. So for this tutorial, one thing that you might need is the screwdriver, or the thing that you use to open up your keyboard. So I'll be using this one. It's just small for the Royal Kludge 61. And then your soldering kit, the one that heats and then the one that sucks. So the first thing that we must do is, of course, take off the wire of the keyboard and then just remove the keycaps. So since I lost my keycap puller, I'll be manually taking it out by hand, and let's just get on right with it. So after doing all that, cleaning this keyboard up, I will now be washing these keycaps in soap water. So let's go. So after cleaning all those up, I'll just put this on the outlet, the soldering tool, and then put it away for now. So while waiting, what we can do is to disassemble this keyboard right now. Just turn it over or upside down, and then proceed on screwing off the screws. By the way, I'm sorry for the dirty mouse pad. I haven't been able to wash it yet. Put this here. Then for the third one, I think this is done already. I could just lift the case up. And then when you're lifting it up, don't forget to remove the wire for the battery, especially for the RK61. I've already put some foam. I don't think it's working that much, but so just put this aside in this case. I'll change 10 of these with Gateron Blacks, and then 2 of those with a green switch that my friend gave me, and it's actually quite good. It's more tactile than the Gateron Blacks, and the feel of it feels amazing when playing Osu. So I'm just going to mark these down so I know what to switch. So what you want to do is to place the soldering tool directly to the one that you want, to the key that you want to put out. So in my case, this one. So this one, the one that I'm pointing to remove it, there's two LEDs that you want to solder out. So where I'm pointing to, those are the ones that I need to put out. Okay, so let's start. So what you want to do is, as soon as it melts, you place the pumping tool directly and then you pump. Okay? So it goes like this. See, it melts fast. I don't know if you can see it because the camera quality is low. I'm just using my webcam camera. Right, so that's how you do it. As soon as it starts melting, you want to instantly just pump it, okay? So put this away. Put this away, okay? Put the dirt out. Okay. So as soon as you start melting, you must ready your pump already, okay? So for the next one, the technique is just to instantly put your pumping tool as it melts, because if you go a bit late, it will instantly solidify, so you will be pumping in nothing. Yep, that's clean. I'm freaking good. So it's easy as that. So when after you desolder the thing with the switch puller, you'll be able to put it out easily. So let's put this one aside. Okay, that's good. Ready my pump. Okay, so I kind of broke my pumping tool, and with that I won't be able to switch out all of my I won't be able to use all of my switches, so let's just buy a new one and then do it off cam. Let's just proceed on taking the switches out, the all switches. So the next thing that you want to do is ready out your new switches. So you want to position your keyboard facing upwards, and then just simply put your key switches, just like so. For the next one, two of these are done. Let's just get some more of the lead so we can solder it. So this here, Gateron Blacks. Same for the other one. And for the last two. Okay, you'll proceed to soldering it. Put on the case. So, one down, 3 to go. So, right after finishing that, let's just put the cable on and just hope that nothing broke. Wish me luck. Hey, all the light power is on, which means we got it correctly. I'll just proceed on putting on the keycaps. And it is officially done. So after stressing for a long time, you can finally call it finished. I do hope that you learned something from this video, and if you want more content like this, then you can suggest in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, or just do anything to support your boy. And see you on the next one. Peace.